Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome to the third session of the online tutorial. This week you are going to learn about informal email and business memo. You can find this week's topics in module 3, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write a simple email and differentiate between email and memo. Please study the material and enrichment the links below. After that, please participate in discussion forum 3 and don't forget to do the assignment 1. Thank you. Good luck and see you in the next session. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.